In this video, I'll show you how to put pictures in TikTok comments. This video is only for educational purposes only, so make sure you watch what I'm going to show you in this video. Now open up your TikTok. Let's say if you love to put pictures, let's say if you want to put your profile picture, if you want to put stickers here on TikTok comments, what you need to do, open up. It can be a video, it can be a post, it can be a picture. So click on the comment. So right now, if you look here, you can see my previous post. I added up my picture here with the caption "Thank God." So if you want to put a picture, what you need to do, you're going to be able to see the picture icon down below. So click on it, select a picture from your gallery. It's going to open up now. Okay, right now you can see this picture here. I selected this picture. So if you love to put it here on comment section, what you need to do, you need to just add up a caption. You can just type in, okay, I can just use this. So once you click on this, you can see this. So this is basically how I can be able to put pictures here in TikTok comments. If you find this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.